This video we will see how we can create order tracking page. For reference, this is the screenshot of tracking widget and the screenshot of the details which are going to be shown on tracking page. And also in this video we will show you how these details can be shown through emails and SMS. Now in this video we will see how we can create order tracking page for WordPress. For this we will install the plugin. Click on add new plugin. Search for the plugin you want to install. I am installing this plugin. Click on install now. And after installing, click on activate. Now go to WooCommerce. Here you will see the tracker. Click on shipment tracking. Now in general, in enable shipping provider, set it to manual. Also in default shipping provider, set it to manual. After filling this, click on save changes. Now in tracking widget, first you have to enable all these options where you want to see the tracking details. Now you have to enable the fields you want to show. I'm enabling shipment status, estimated delivery date, courier name, AWV number and the shipping provider tracking link. After filling this, copy the shortcode and click on save changes. Now go to pages and click on add new page. Now give a title. Now paste the shortcode here and click on publish. Now click on view page. Now here you will see the tracker order widget. Here you have to enter order ID and the mobile number. For this, we will place an order to see the tracking details of our order. Go to dashboard and then go to store, add the product to cart, click on view cart and proceed to checkout. And after this, click on place order. Now we'll go on backend. In orders, here you can see your order. Click on update tracking. Now you have to fill the courier name, AWV number, shipping status and the estimated delivery date and the tracking link. After filling all these, click on save changes. Now here you can see the updated tracking details. Now go back to the page where you have entered the shortcode. Now here you have to enter the order ID and the mobile number. For this, go to orders. This is your order ID. Copy the order ID and go back to order tracking page. Here, paste the order ID and enter the last 4 digits of your mobile number. And after filling this, click on track now. Now here you can see all the details related to your order. We can also send email and SMS for the order tracking. For this, go to WooCommerce and shipment tracking. Click on SMS and email. Here, you can enable those options when you want to send the message. I'm setting it to new order, in transit, out for delivery and the delivered. Now you have to choose from where you want to send the message. First I am setting it to email and after filling this, click on save changes. Now we will place an order. Add the product to cart. Click on view cart. Click on proceed to checkout. Then click on place order. Now go to backend. In orders. Here you can see your order, click on it. Now I'm changing the shipping status it to in transit. Now in order notes, we can see the email is sent to the customer given ID. This is the screenshot of the email which is sent by the plugin. Now we will see how we can send SMS to the user. For this, go to WooCommerce, select shipment tracking. Now click on SMS and email. For sending SMS, first you have to register because SMS are chargeable but emails are free of cost. Now you have to select when do you want to send the messages. I'm setting it to new order, in transit, out for delivery and delivered. After this, we have to select from where we want to send the message. I'm setting it to SMS. After filling this, click on Save Changes. Now we will place an order. Go to Store, add a product to cart. Click on View Cart. Click on Proceed to Checkout. Then place an order. Now go back to Orders. So you can see your order, click on it. Now I'm changing shipping status to out for delivery and click on Save. Now you can see the SMS sent to the requested ID. We can also see the statuses when we will get the email notification for the order. For this, go to WooCommerce settings. In emails, these are the status when we get the email notifications. And in this, shipment status is an additional feature which will show the shipment details for the order. This is the screenshot of the SMS which is sent by the plugin.